Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Do you prop up your foot or your leg slightly, like on your tiptoes, while you're playing the guitar? I know I do. I always prop up my right foot just so to help support my guitar, to keep it from sliding down, and it's just a little bit more comfortable position by having my right foot propped up. One problem I found, and you probably have found as well, that your foot gets tired trying to hold it up or propping it up on the bar of a stool itself. That bar in itself will kind of add pressure to the bottom of your foot and become uncomfortable. Well, I found a solution for that. So let me show you the solution. So I got searching on Amazon for the solution. I thought surely they make a footrest, a footstool, or something that you could prop up your foot while playing the guitar. And lo and behold, they are such a thing. And I found this on Amazon. And what I found, this is made by Donner. It's a footrest that you can kind of see here, and it's an adjustable footrest. And Amazon carries a variety of footrests. All of them pretty much, cost less than $20 on Amazon. And there's a link in my description below to Amazon that you can find this specific footrest or footstool, as well as many other brands and designs. This particular footstool, what I like about it is it has an adjustable height on it. And you have several different positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different heights on this. I'll kind of show it up close. You can kind of see. So, the highest one would be right here. So you can kind of see how high your foot could rest with in a high position. This would be good for somebody, that maybe you're sitting in a chair that's slightly higher than your normal chair that you would play guitar in, and you need your, be able to kind of touch the floor and rest your foot on something. This would be a real good height. But it gives you some adjustability based on the type chair you might be using or sitting on while you're playing the guitar at that particular time. What I typically do with on all my guitar lessons, I just keep the lowest part because the chair I use, is the right height that I need. But if I was playing, outside of my studio, I might have to adjust this height. Another thing I like about it, it's got kind of a rubber pad on the top to prevent your feet from sliding off. So this rubber pad does help a whole lot. And then each of the 2 legs, you have four feet that have rubber tips on the end to keep these from sliding around. Okay, I'll put this in the floor to kind of let you look at it. So you can see how I'm using it. It just simply keeps this one leg and one foot up higher a little bit so I can play the guitar more effectively. When I'm using this footstool, I don't have to use a guitar strap. Even though sometimes when you use a guitar strap, you find yourself in need of propping up your right foot just to kind of help assist in stabilizing the guitar and things. So this is very comfortable, and I can play for an hour or two with this foot and never have to put it down. So it's very, very comfortable. Gives my leg a rest and gives my foot a rest as well. So you can see my right leg is actually up a little bit higher than my left leg here, and it just kind of helps support the guitar. If I take my leg off, sometimes you find yourself pulling up your guitar from time to time in order to, while you're strumming. Okay, and then using the footrest, you can prop it up here, and it kind of lets your thigh be more horizontal to the floor, and it keeps your guitar in place. So I can actually play for hours using this particular footrest. So again, you can find this product and many other brands and types of footrests in my description below. Just click on guitar footrest or footstools, and that'll take you straight to Amazon, and you can look around for the particular footstool or footrest that meets your need. If you like this video, then be sure and hit the like button afterwards. I appreciate it very much. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after the video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. If you're a current subscriber, I want to thank you for your support and thank everyone for viewing my channel today. So have a great day. God bless you.